Hi, Elaine here with WTI. I am so glad I have my Pedag terry cotton insoles because it's springtime. Springtime for me means no socks and stockings, and the terry cloth really helps keep my feet from sweating and sliding around when it's warm outside. I love that I can change them out and put them in any of my espadrille sandals, and I confess, I have a lot of them. Is it just me, or does everyone have a pair of favorite sneakers that are just a little too tight with socks? Not with these Pedag insoles. I can be comfy and sock free. These Pedag insoles set a high bar being handmade, and as a seamstress, I really appreciate their quality. Plus, you can see that the back has a great design for maximum air circulation. But my favorite feature is that after a long hot day of walking, you can simply wash them out with mild soap and they are ready to wear the next day. Walk into spring and summer with your Pedag terry cotton insoles. Make sure you get them in black and in white. I love them, I highly recommend them, and that's just my point of view.